Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. This Tuesday morning, it's the 27th day of August, and we have a lot to talk about this morning. A lot of you had widespread rain yesterday. Almost everybody got wet, and today showers and thunderstorms will be numerous as a frontal system approaches. This is an interesting front that will not only bring us the rain today, it'll bring us some nice relief later in the week in the form of lower humidity and a couple of comfortable nights. I'll show you which nights are going to be the best. We'll also look ahead to the Labor Day weekend. And we'll start looking more closely at the tropics. Could a tropical system have an effect on our forecast in the early part of next week? We'll see. According to a couple of global models, that's certainly a possibility. Tropical storm Dorian is going to be a hurricane that will be affecting Puerto Rico tomorrow, and that's the storm we're going to be watching. What happens to Dorian after it leaves the islands? We're tracking an approaching frontal system currently located near Memphis, heading southeastward into Alabama tonight and through the state tomorrow, with showers and thunderstorms, again, rather widespread across the area today, but random, but still a good chance that you're going to see some more showers and thunderstorms today. Most areas got wet yesterday. So we'll say showers and thunderstorms are a good bet, with a high temperature today up to about 89. Tonight slowed down to about 74, and the winds turning around to the southwest today at 4 to 8 miles per hour. There's the front tomorrow morning, coming into northwest Alabama, heading southward during the day, and by Wednesday afternoon, the front is in central Alabama, and most of the showers by that time are in south Alabama, and behind it, some much nicer air with lower humidity and sunshine on Thursday. It's going to be a great change for at least a couple of days, and look at that morning on Thursday morning. We're going to be in the generally upper 60s, maybe some places mid-60s, and then I think even Friday morning looks pretty good with temperatures about the mid to upper 60s with lower humidity. So a couple of comfortable mornings, and I think Friday will be a good day. A cooler start, mostly sunny, humidity trying to sneak back as we get towards Friday evening, and we're back to scattered showers and thunderstorms Saturday. Look at that tropical low coming into the Bahamas. That is going to be Dorian, and the future of that we're going to watch carefully. Here's Sunday, showers and thunderstorms in our area. That tropical low perhaps around Jacksonville, maybe, according to the European, and maybe drifting on towards South Georgia on Labor Day with more showers and thunderstorms in our forecast. So very interesting. We're going to have to watch the path of that. And this is what the GFS does to it on Tuesday morning. It's got it along the northern Gulf Coast. So stand by. More on that in just a moment. I've got the rain chances at 30% first half of the day and middle part of the day on Wednesday, and then we dry out towards Wednesday evening. Then I have no rain in the forecast for Thursday and Friday with that lower humidity, and then showers and thunderstorms back in the forecast Saturday, Sunday, and Monday for the Labor Day weekend. Now out to the tropics. We have Tropical Depression number 6 out there in the Atlantic. We're not going to spend too much time on that. But Dorian is the one that is a tropical storm with 50-mile-an-hour winds that we'll talk about first. This could become close to hurricane status over near the southern tip of Puerto Rico and the Dominican Republic tomorrow, and then move in towards the Bahamas. And look at the cone now covering South Florida. So, the future of Dorian, if it can survive its interaction with the islands, is going to be very important to us. The other one, Tropical Depression number 6, which could become Aaron later today, not so much a problem because it's not going to affect any land areas, maybe the maritime provinces of Canada by Friday. Now here is the European Ensembles on Dorian, taking the system through the Bahamas towards Florida, and then somewhere along the Gulf Coast, or maybe turning northeast. We don't know yet. The GFS is a little farther south into the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico and then turning it into Alabama. At least the operational model is. So, some very interesting future possibilities on Dorian. We'll keep you up to date. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Thanks for sticking around this far into the video. There is much to talk about. Tomorrow morning, there'll be another video online first thing at 4:45 a.m. Meteorologist Ryan Stinnett and I chat about the weather, and we've already been texting this morning. We talk on CBS 8 and ABC 32 at 5:50 a.m. this morning, live on the radio, 6 to 9, News Talk 93.1, and your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations. Boy, oh boy, I hope we get some more rain today. Have a great day. We'll keep you up to date on the tropics. See you later.